mataas ang cholesterol, how to start low carb. So, kung mataas yung cholesterol natin, it's really important to know, meron bang ibang kaakibat ito na medical conditions? And the reason why I ask you is, kasi usually there's a clustering. May mga kasamang conditions normally yan. Make sure na i-check din po ninyo yung inyong asukal, kumusta ba? Ang inyong blood pressure, kumusta ba? Okay po ba yung uric acid ninyo? Kung isolated lamang ito na cholesterol lang talaga yung problema, then you can start low carb. Paano magsimula? It's very simple. Unang-una, paki-download yung food guide, then mag-join kayo dyan sa grupo. Every week, may pinapublish tayo dyan na welcome package. And dun sa welcome package na yun, na andun yung food guide and all the other resources, pakisundan, pakibasa na maigi, lahat ng nandun sa welcome package for you to understand paano ginagawa itong lifestyle na ito. How do you do it safely, step by step. Ganun lamang po kasimple.